Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. Do you know there's some ingredients you need to combine together to see that faster hair growth, to thicken up your hair, stop that hair fall, regrow your edges? On today's video, I will show you this powerful ingredient that you need to combine together and get that best result you desire to have. So please watch this video to the end so you get all the instruction on how to use this tea spray for that best result you desire. First thing is to bring my pot. My first ingredient is onion. Do you know that if you are looking for that home remedy that will help to stop your hair fall, stop hair shedding, hair breakage, thinning hair, regrow your hair, thicken up your hair, promote faster hair growth, onion should be your first home remedy, because onion is very effective in solving all these problems that I mentioned now, especially promoting faster hair growth and stopping hair fall. Yes, and a lot of people say because of the smell of onion juice, that's why they're not using onion on their hair. Don't worry, in this tea spray we're about to prepare, you will never experience the smell of onion on this tea spray. Okay, so what I did now is to cut out the head and the tail of the onion, because we are not be using the tail and the head, but I'm using the skin. Okay, I just discard that tail and the head that I cut out, but I slide this onion together with the skin because the skin also have its own good benefit in our hair. My next ingredient is fenugreek. Guys, fenugreek is another home remedy that you need to start using on your hair arrangements if you want to stop your hair fall, promote faster hair growth, thicken up your hair, stimulate hair growth. This fenugreek is that another recipe you need to start using on your hair arrangement, and you will never regret it. So what I do now, I scoop out 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. My third ingredient is rosemary. I can't do without rosemary. If you're OG on this channel, I have used a lot of recipe using rosemary. Guys, rosemary is another good home remedy that will help to stimulate faster hair growth, promote hair growth, stimulate blood flow to your scalp, stop hair fall, and also give you that voluminous hair you desire. So also I'm scooping out 2 tablespoons of my rosemary. My last but not the least of my ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus is that recipe that you need to start using, especially if you want to darken your hair natural way. If you want that your hair to be voluminous and luxurious, hibiscus will help you to achieve that. If you want to prevent premature graying on your hair, you need to start using hibiscus flower on your hair. Okay, and it's very good home remedy to try on. So next thing now, I pour in my water into my pot contain my ingredients. So I've transferred this in fire to cook this. While cooking this, I'm not using the fire is not that high. Okay, I'm using the fire in a low flame light. So I'll cook this about 7 to 10 minutes, but I finally did not cook this up to 10 minutes. I think I cooked this around about 8 to 7 minutes, and I brought it down. So once the water have changed in color, you know that this recipe is ready to bring down. So after offing my gas, I brought it down, but I like this tea spray to sit like extra 7 to 8 hours again. That's where it will get more darker, and the ingredients will release more of their nutrients into the ingredients. That's why you don't need to boil this in a very long time. Only 7 to 8 minutes to boil this in a low flame light is okay, and cover it and keep it away. I like to stay, maybe depend when you prepare your own, but I like to stay extra 8 hours. If you prepare it in the evening time, just leave it to sit overnight, and this tea spray will be more powerful and more potent. Okay, that is where you can get the more effective of the tea spray. Do you see how darker this my tea spray look like? Because of I like to sit for a long period of time, so I can get all the benefits I need to get in those ingredients into my tea spray. So I use my shifter and my bowl to collect my tea spray and transfer into my spray bottle. So how to use the tea spray for best results is to use it to apply it on your hair as a leave-in tea spray. Like as I mentioned earlier, you don't need to worry about the smell of the onion. This tea spray do not smell onion juice at all. You never perceive the onion smell in this tea spray. Guys, this is the way you can use onion to grow your hair crazy. This tea spray will grow your hair crazy. In 2 weeks time of using this tea spray on your hair, you will see visible results on your hair. Just use this tea spray, don't rinse it out. Allow this tea spray to sit on your hair and do that magic work it's supposed to do on your hair. But please, whenever you use this tea spray as a leave-in tea spray, please do not forget to use your leave-in condition or your hair butter to sit in the moisture to avoid dryness, okay? So that this tea spray will not cause bad on your hair, rather to cause good to you. So this tea spray made to be good in your hair, not to cause bad on your hair. But if you do not use leave-in condition after applying this tea spray, it may cause dryness on your hair because of it contains onion and gloves. You get it? So try to moisturize your hair whenever you apply this tea spray. Use a good leave-in condition or a hair butter to sit in the moisture. This is the way you see that crazy effective results. This tea spray will grow your hair 10 times faster. In 2 weeks time of using this tea spray, your hair will never remain the same. And the best time to use this tea spray, if your hair is in protective hairstyle, just put your hair in protective hairstyle. The way I put my hair now, I just put my hair in a big twins, okay? It's better than leaving your hair out. Just put your hair in a protective hairstyle the way I do mine. If you don't have time to put your hair in a very good protective hairstyle, this way is the best way to put your hair in protective hairstyle and use this tea spray to grow that hair. Okay, and applying it there, that is the way you see use this tea spray to grow your hair while your hair is in protective hairstyle. Why I say so? Because you will not be combing your hair every time, and this tea spray have more time to stick on your hair, to stay on your hair for a very long period of time without drying out, okay, without tripping out of your hair. I hope you're understanding me. So try always to wear protective hairstyle, okay? It will help you to grow your hair. It will help you to retain more length than wearing your hair in afro stage. Don't wear your hair in afro stage steady. If you really want to see length retention, if you really want to get best result in any product you're using on your hair, try to learn how to wear protective hairstyles, okay? It's not anyhow protective hairstyle that will help your hair to grow, okay? So how many times can you apply this tea spray on your hair to get best results? 3 times in a week, okay? Storage, this tea spray can last only but 5 days in your refrigerator. Anyway that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope this video is very helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this video the same way I enjoy filming this video. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, please subscribe, okay? And once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please help me to click on that like button. It really helps me to put more good content out there. This is one way you can support me, okay? To encourage me to create more good content for you guys. Thank you so much. I love you for that support. And please share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. So I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed, be safe out there. It's a baby girl Glory. Bye.